Hi, this is Mandy with Bankbound, and I'm here to show you how to change the frequency of how often your ads are shown each day to an individual person. So, first of all, on your home page here, you want to click on the campaign that you are wanting to adjust, then click on Settings, then click on this Additional Settings drop down. You'll see Frequency Management here. Now, typically, when we start a campaign, we go with the recommended, which is allowing Google to choose how often it is shown each day to an individual user. But if you get complaints or if you want to change it for a different reason, this is how you're going to do it. You go ahead and click on that frequency management drop down, and then you can set a preference. You can choose to do it by ad group or campaign and choose how often you want to set it. I just put in this 3 as an arbitrary number. And then once you do that, go ahead and click Save. And that is how you change the frequency. If you have any questions about this or anything else Google Ads related, go ahead and let us know.